Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can open a new YouTube account. So first of all, go to this link accounts.google.com/sign up. You may already have a Gmail account, but I will recommend you to open a new account. The reason being we are running a business now, so we are opening a new Gmail account which will show our business name in our email address. So the sign up process is very simple. You must put your first name and last name, the username based on your business. Say for example, if your name is John Smith, so you can select JS Consultants LLC, JS Solutions LLC, and like that. So in summary, it must represent your business. Now in the first and last name, please do not put your real first name and last name. So select the first name and last name based on your business. Say for example, if your email address is JS Solutions Limited, so in the first name you can put JS Solutions and in the last name as Limited, so that when you send an email to any YouTuber or any person, it represents your business. You can then select a password, a date of birth, a mobile phone number, and also your current email address and the location. Once you fill all this information, just click next step and your account will be generated. So once your account has been created, go to www.youtube.com and select this option, that is sign in. It will direct you to a login page. So put your Gmail email address which you have just created right now and also the password to log in into YouTube. That's how simple it is to create a YouTube professional account. But if you face any difficulty, again, please open a discussion and post your question and I will love to answer that. So I hope that you like this video and I see you in the next one.